Okay guys, so I didn't share with you in the last video how the cut turned out from Great Clips. So here I am washing and molding my hair, just getting ready for date night with the hubby, and it was okay. I mean, my hair's laying pretty good, but it's not the best haircut. And again, I just needed her to clean up the hair that was growing over my ears and take off the wings in the back. You guys know I hate those wings in the back. But for the most part, it's laying down and, you know, I'm happy with it. It was 24 bucks, so I can't complain.
Ain't got anything to hide, you was acting all shy. Now your lips on mine, we crossed that line. Go and take your time. Slow down, I just wanna get to know ya. Come break me down. It's the little things I can show ya. It's right now, feeling like it's waiting for ya. Slow down.
You could keep the pace like that. We could keep the shit laid back. You can get all this good karma. I don't even need to meet your mama. Can you wrap your head around that? But you never had a nigga like that. We can take this when you wanna. We ain't gotta think too much, cause it feels so right. Got us feeling so right. Know it's been on both of our minds. We can have it all the time. Let's start with tonight. Ain't got anything to hide. You was acting all shy. My hands on your thighs, your eyes on mine. Baby, yeah. So take your time.
Hey guys, so we made it down to the pier. Oops, sorry, we made it down to the pier. My husband had to run to the ATM and grab some cash. I have to meet my friends. They're standing online and they have our tickets, so it's literally just right across the way. It is a beautiful, beautiful night out here, guys. Had to lift my dress up so I can run, but I will see you guys on the boat. There's the boat, so I'm not far from it. As you guys can see, it's a sexy night out here. It's a little chilly, but I should be okay.
You know what I mean? Let's get a picture. Get your picture. Video. Are you doing a video?
A video.
Rob Bugs, you know what I'm saying? Take my glasses off. Asiatic looking buddy, you heard me?
Let's get on this boat, have some fun.
Oh, we gonna get lit tonight. You already know that. You know what time it is. Rob Bugs, my man A, the wife over here. You know, we got a whole posse out here. It's like Rob Bugs, they know me out here.
What happened? This damn thing got me restricted. Here we go on the boat. You know what? I said nobody can take your place.
you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Sweat it out. I break the heel, sweat it out. I break the heel, sweat it out. I break the heel. Hold on, if you don't know who I am, you better do your homework. You better do your homework. You better do your homework.
Gotta get to already every playing us. So we tell you delirious. Can't imagine everything in the areas. Yeah, it's funny how all the triggers be always serving us. So in the 20 years, really wanna carry us. Right.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. The weather is absolutely gorgeous today. First day in a few weeks that it has not been in the 90s. I think today's high is supposed to be like 79, and it's a breeze out. It's really comfortable. It feels amazing. Of course, I'm out running some errands. I need to run to my nursery real quick and get some soil and ask them how I can cut down my fiddly fig, guys. And then need to run and stop in Target. I need some body wash. And what else do I need to do today as far as errands? I think that's everything that I need to do today for as far as errands go. Last night, guys, last night was a time. Last night a time was had. So let me just give y'all a quick rundown, right? I was supposed to go to a Marley festival in the Hamptons yesterday. My girlfriend was out there. My girlfriend Kim, you guys have seen her. Muse Fragrances. You guys seen her on here a number of times. And I was gonna meet her out there with her family. She had planned to go for her birthday weekend. My hair looks like it's chopped off. So I was like, you know what? When my husband gets off work, we're gonna head out there, whatever. So in the midst of us getting ready to head out there, we were getting some weather alerts saying severe thunderstorms, and we are 3 hours away from the Hamptons. And I was like, I don't know. Thank God, guys, we didn't go, because when that thunderstorm came, it was like a tsunami up by me anyway. Remember, I'm an hour out of New York. I live upstate New York. And I heard some rumbling outside my bathroom window, and I'm like, what is that? I open up my blinds, like in my bathroom, and y'all, you could not tell me that my house wasn't going to be swept away. The wind that came, the rain that came with it, it was unbelievable. So I told my husband, I said, you know what? Let's just forget it. So what we wound up doing was going on a boat ride with another friend of mine. Now, that was the original plan. The original plan was to go on the boat ride, right? But we missed the window to get the tickets for a lesser price. So I was like, I'm not paying what they wanted for the boat ride. Long story short, one of my best friends, her husband was able to get some discounted tickets. So my husband and I were like, you know what? We're already dressed, let's just go ahead and go. So that's how we wound up going down. So that was the original plan, guys. We were originally supposed to go on a boat ride, so that's what happened. And then the Marley thing was second, and it wound up we did what we were supposed to do originally, right? We had such an amazing time, guys. I danced until I was sweating like I just came out the shower. That's what type of fun I'm gonna have. Anywhere I go, if the music is good, I am going to dance. I'm gonna sweat my hair out. I'm gonna party. My knees is gonna hurt when I leave, everything. So the boat ride itself was just okay. I won't do that boat ride again. But the people I was with made it better. So we made the most of it. The music was pretty good. Jeff Red performed, and I think it was 2 people from the group Intro. They performed. I missed the intro performance, but I caught a little bit of Jeff Red. I included some footage, but you guys know I can't play the whole thing for copyright issues. But yeah, guys, we had an amazing time. The weather was nice. It was sexy outside. Just being on that water at night and just dancing and seeing, you know, all the buildings lit up in the city. Absolutely amazing. Of course, you had your hiccups. You know, we were supposed to get food. The food line was hella long. By the time we got up to the front, there was no more lobster. I don't know what other kind of seafood they had, but they definitely had some lobster tails. They had no more lobster tails. They had no more rice. They had some, of course, fried chicken, mac and cheese, and couscous. I had a small thing of mac and cheese, and then I had some fried chicken. The mac and cheese was no bueno. The fried chicken was good. I had 2 small pieces of fried chicken, and I was good. I drank water all night. So yeah, we had a really good time. Really good. The boat was supposed to dock at 11, and we were supposed to be on the water from 11 to 2. Black people time. We didn't sail until, I want to say, almost like 12:30, but they made sure we got back at 2. Y'all, when I got in that house, I think that's the best shower in the world I ever had. I don't know, maybe because I was so hot and sticky, and then my feet, with my dress being long and dragging, I think some of the water, and that just, oh, it skeeves me out when I'm wearing something long and it touches water, and then it touches my skin. Oh my God, it just skeeves me, right? Yuck. But anyway, that was the best shower ever. Look what I'm carrying today, guys. My little beauty. You guys remember I did this haul. I picked up like 5 of these bags from TJ Maxx. I picked up 5 bags, guys. Why do I only have 1? I only have red. So I have my little key fob here. I can't find my oh, I think it's in my other car. So I have my key fob here. I have my AirPods. I have a lip gloss. And guys, I love this lip gloss. This is by NARS, and it's the color Orgasm. I used to wear Orgasm years ago. Orgasm was my shiznit. Love this. I bought like 2 when Sephora was having a sale. So I have that. And then I have, let me just turn my license over. And then I have my my card holder from my Louis Vuitton wallet. I just put my stuff in here. So, and then I have more room. Let me just show you guys. So I'm going to put that back in there, that. And look how much more space I have. I have so much more space, guys, to add just some more things. But this is my little wallet today that I will be carrying. Okay, y'all, so I see someone in here by the name of Daisy. So hopefully she's here today. Guys, look at these beautiful flowers. Look at these. So pretty. I like this old truck too. See these flower pots? I bet you they're super heavy. Let's see. Oh Lord, heavy. Those you set down and never move again. Unless you have somebody come out and move them for you. But yeah. So beautiful. So beautiful. And this is how I get in trouble, guys. I'm only supposed to be coming in here to get soil, and I'm always looking around. This is what I have here. My jade plant. This is pretty. It's growing too. Mine is growing. I need to repot that one as well. This one is $49.95. Wow, look at this jade plant here. This is pretty. Nice thick leaves. But look at this one, guys. This is beautiful. So pretty. Baby cactus. That's a giant fiddle leaf right there. Jeez. Clay pots. I hear people say they prefer clay pots over the fancier pots. For some reason, I think they said because the plants do really well inside the clay pots. Yeah, how much are these? Let me see. $4.95. I don't know the going price of pots, but yeah. Oh, look what they have, guys. Oh my God, do I need some of these? And they have the big ones. How much are these things? $5.95. What happened to $1? $1 or $2. Jeez. Nice balls. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be in here, guys. So let's go back out. Dang, I really need these, guys. But oh, why are they $5.95 for a plastic? I really need this one. But my plant is messing up my wooden floors. I might have to just spend the money on this one. Can it fit here? $9? Jesus. $9 for this? Y'all know what? I'm going to have to try to find this someplace else because I really don't want to spend $10 for that. I really don't want to. So, I need it, but not that bad. Alright. Let's go and get my soil. Okay guys, so Daisy wasn't in. She's on vacation. And Tom, who I believe was the other gentleman that helped me, he's not in either. And they can't advise on where I should cut the plant. So I'm going to go to the nursery around the corner so that they can help me. I did purchase some soil, so I just need to pick it up here. Okay guys, I had to record on my phone. I don't know why my camera's doing something weird. It's starting to zoom on its own. I'm not sure if it's getting hot because I have it on my dashboard in the sun, but I just turned it off. I'm gonna let it cool down a bit. So I picked up my soil, you guys, which was the most important part. And now I'm gonna go to another nursery, which is around the corner. Same company, guys. So the nursery that I'm at is called Hollandia, and it's in, where is this, Bethel, Connecticut. I really, really like them. They're so knowledgeable. So I'm gonna go and ask them and show them a video of the plant and see where they suggest that I cut it. Yeah. And it's literally just 5 minutes away. And then head to the supermarket and get my butt back in the house. Oh my God, it is amazing outside. Absolutely amazing. How am I doing on time? So I haven't been out for an hour yet. That's a good thing. That is a good thing. Little bag. I'll take another sip before I go in. All right, guys, let's go. I'm gonna need my phone to show them the video. So let me turn you guys around. See? Hollandia Nursery. That is scary as hell. Those damn birds. Look at this one up here. It's scary. Alright. Let's go and get some help. How beautiful. How beautiful is that? Okay, so what do I need to do now?
Yeah, so you want to leave just like an inch of space between where the connection that you want to sever it from is and where you want to cut it from.
Okay.
And you'd want to cut it like right there, kind of thing.
Okay.
And then that'll push new growth out in different directions. And you just keep it where, if it goes anywhere you don't want it, you just keep snipping it, and you'll train it in a different direction.
Okay, so how about if, let's say I want this long piece here.
This whole thing?
Yeah, say I want that long piece off of the base, the stem.
Yep. So then you'd go, you'd need like very, very strong clippers of some sort, right?
Okay, yep.
And you'd want to give it like an inch, maybe even a little bit more. But you really don't need that much. You just need to give it a little bit of space off of the trunk so that it doesn't, if anything happens to the,
okay,
it doesn't
got
touch
it.
the main trunk.
Got it. Okay, so we're not cutting from the trunk. We're gonna cut about right here.
Yes.
Oh, perfect. See, I would have definitely cut down and damaged her. Mm-hmm. Okay, and just so I'm correct, all these stains that I see, are those sunspots?
Yes, and it's just pigment that from the plant. If they get put in too much sun or not enough sun, they'll react in different ways.
Okay.
And the pigment, it's just pigment. It's not anything harmful.
Okay, got it. So it's fine.
You
Okay.
did?
Was doing beautifully inside for 3 years, and
Guys, I love this plant. I remember putting one on my deck right off my kitchen every summer, But when the winter comes, guys, I tried to put it in my house one time because I was tired of like just buying them over, and they had these little white worms, and I started noticing the worms like on my wall where the plant was. I was like, oh, absolutely not. I put her out ASAP. This is a pretty one too. So, oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. So this is what I have here, a philodendron, and it's growing like crazy. I was asking her about it. I should have asked her about the roots, because mine are starting to, the roots are coming out like that, and I need to, let me ask her how to repot this damn thing real quick. I have this here, the philodendron. So when the roots are like this, right? My current ones, the roots are like that. How do you repot this?
You could cut it. You could actually, what you could do is cut it. So, so it's so root bound, right?
Yes.
That's hard to get. You could just cut it with a pair of scissors.
Cut the pot.
Okay. And you could cut. I mean, these roots. It's fine. There's so many of them.
Yes.
If see it keeps going and going.
Oh my gosh.
It wants to keep going. So you could trim these. It's fine because there's so many of them in there.
Okay.
But the best way to get it out of here so you don't damage the base of it is just take a pair of scissors and cut this, and then take it out. And then you want to make sure you put it in nice soil. Right.
So leave the soil that it's in, a little bit of it, and then just surround it with new soil.
Yeah, exactly. So just cut it right out of there. I know, they're crazy.
Oh my God, mine is like insane right now. They do.
Do you have it outside?
I have it inside, and it's like, it just won't stop. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just bought these 2 planters. I thought they would look nice with my wooden floors, and it has enough drainage holes. Yeah, so let's put these in the car. Whew, okay guys, it was hot out there. Guess what? So remember I told you guys the guy I was looking for at the first Hollandia wasn't there? I was so wrong, y'all. I renamed the man. His name is not Tom, his name is Sean. And he actually remembered me. He was like, I helped you with some plants at the other one, not too long ago. So I showed him how my plants are growing, and he was so amazed. He was like, wow, look at you. Your plants are thriving. So I'm so glad he's here. So now I have his schedule. If anybody lives in Brewster or Danbury or close to this nursery, as for Daisy, who's at the Hollandia on I forget the name of the street, but she's at I'll put the locations down below, guys, in the description box. But it's as for Daisy or Sean. So Sean is at a little bug. So Sean is at the Hollandia over here on, where is this? Y'all, I don't even know this street. I just know how to get here. But again, I'll link it down in the description box. So Sean is the bomb, and Daisy as well. So yeah, as for them, I am finished plant shopping. I don't want any more plants, guys. My plants are huge. They're just growing all over the place. And that damn philodendron is just Listen, I may need to start charging that philodendron some rent. That thing is huge. It just won't stop growing. So this is how I get in trouble in Target. Instead of me going straight to the grocery aisle, I always make a right and come to the clothing section. Thank goodness I didn't see anything to grab to get my eye. Uh-oh. Did I speak too soon? Yeah. I don't see anything. So, actually, you know what? I do need some new. Let me check the clearance. section. I see something sparkly in the clearance section. You guys know I like sparkly. Let's see what y'all got for me, clearance. What y'all got for me? Please say nothing. Say no thing, Lisette. No thing. Oh, and this is a big clearance section. Let me turn y'all around. This is on clearance for how much? $17.50. I have this in pink. And it's cute. I don't know what that is. Cargos. This is a pretty green. I don't need any beach bags, guys, but this is cute. And be back and never. I even like the pink on the screen. I like that. I like those two colors together. Cute. Cute little bags. Cute, cute, cute. Alright. Let's go. As you guys can see, my cart, well, it's not empty. They had these 2 for $8, so I bought them for the kids. So guys, they have the Reed diffuser refill. I need this, but I need it in clarity. And of course, they don't have it. Y'all, so I came across these must-try minis. I guess this is a part of Ulta. And look what they have. I see the little mini Ruby Woo by MAC for $15. But you know what's funny? They're having a lipstick sale right now at Nursery, and the big one is $13, so that's not even worth it, to be honest. Oh my god, lip gloss, y'all. I used to kill lip gloss back in the day. Wow, I should order one from Nursery just to have. I can't believe that just took me back. Lip gloss, wow. Guys, I'm gonna go back to my Dove body wash. I like the native. I did like the native. So I'm gonna go with the Seascape. That Seascape smells really good, guys. Really good. I'm still gonna get my Dove body wash.
Sure did.
Oh, why am I in this? Oh, the kids want lasagna now. So, let's see, $9.49. Because everywhere else, this, guys, is $11. So, let's see. What's the date on here? August 1st. Okay. Deuces. All black, my little purse. And here is the final product. I should have used my bigger pan. I don't know why I used this smaller one. I have a bigger one and it's deeper, but it all worked out. It did spill out. I'm glad I put that pan underneath to catch it. So yeah, that is it. Okay guys, so at this point, I am extremely tired. I am exhausted. I don't even know how I'm standing to braid my son's hair. As far as repotting those plants, not happening tonight. So after I braid my son's hair, I left the kitchen for him and his sister to clean. I took a shower and called it a good night. So I'm going to end the vlog here, guys, and I will see you as always in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.